All right, this is the people versus Rashonda Rogers on ticket number 736119. Count one, passenger possession of open intoxicant motor vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Ms. Attorney Murphy.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kathy Murphy, P51422, for Ms. Rogers, who appears via Zoom. Would you state your name for the record, please, Ms. Rogers?
Rashonda Rogers.
All right, Ms. Rogers, it's my understanding you do have a retail fraud case before another judge, and it's the city attorney's recommendation that we see what happens with that other case before we address this issue. So we're going to adjourn it to July 21st at 8:30, and then we'll hopefully the other case would have been resolved, and then we can resolve this issue. All right, did you have any questions?
No, you said July 21st?
July 21st at 8:30, you're gonna Zoom in.
Okay.
And then Ms. Rogers,
Yes.
have you written that down?
Yes.
So Ms. Rogers, you have to come into the court and ask to set a date with Judge Bryant for your retail fraud in order for the warrant to be lifted. Judge Evans cannot lift the warrant today. Judge Bryant has to do that. So in order for the retail fraud warrant to be lifted, you need to come personally to the court, okay?
Okay.
All right. Ms. Rogers is the proud mother of 23-day-old Raeigen, Your Honor.
Oh, wow. So you're probably awfully tired, and you're going through a lot of emotions right now. So it would be best for yourself and for Raeigen that you get all this taken care of so that you can be there for him when he wakes up in the middle of the night and doesn't let you sleep at all. So good luck with it. Good luck with that. I know what it's like. I don't envy your position right now. I'm glad I'm past that. But it's a beautiful time. All right, so yeah.
I got a, when I do come to court on July 21st, do I come to the same judge?
You're gonna come to me, and it's gonna be on Zoom.
Okay.
But you have to get the warrant lifted on the other case personally, Ms. Rogers. You have to come into court to do that, okay?
Okay. He
Okay.
says it's Judge Bryant. Okay.
Okay. So get your stuff taken care of so you can deal with Raeigen without any stress on your mind.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good one, Ms. Rogers. Good luck to you.
All right, you too.
Ms. Daniels, you can unmute yourself.
How you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. All right. We're going to go on the record. This is the people versus De'Ara Daniels on ticket number P1080423. Count one, violate governor's exec order 202041, violate use of place of public accommodation. And then count two, city parks closed 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Murphy.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kathy Murphy, P51422, for Ms. Daniel, who appears via Zoom. Ms. Daniel, would you state your name for the record, please?
Dear Daniel.
Your Honor, I only saw the one ticket in the park after dark. It's my understanding that the curfew, I think the curfew was declared. What'd you say, Miss Daniel?
One of them got dismissed.
Okay, I was gonna say, it was my understanding, Your Honor, that the curfew was declared unconstitutional or something like that. So Ms. Daniel indicated that that one was dismissed. And then with respect to the in the park after dark, Your Honor, Ms. Daniel will plead in accordance with the offer extended by the people, and Ms. Horn and I had a conversation. Ms. Daniel hasn't been in trouble at all since she got the ticket, and Ms. Horn said she would have no objection to dismissal of the conviction upon payment of fines and costs.
Okay. All right, Ms. Daniels, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Murphy in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
And just keep your voice up. Has anyone threatened
Yes.
you, forced you, or, okay, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because. Yes. The record briefly, hopefully she'll appear in the next few minutes.
Uh-oh.
Attorney Workling, are you ready on Ms. Dixon as well?
Yes, we're ready. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Okay. Oh, can you grab Ms. Dixon?
Sure.
You're accepting the offer, correct, Attorney Workling?
Yes, we're accepting the offer. And the judge has a copy of the police report, Dawn.
Good morning, Ms. Dixon. You can come forward.
Here.
All right, on the record. This is the People versus Deborah Dixon. Ticket number Z8083381. Count 1, operating with blood alcohol content of 0.17 or more. Good morning, please state your name for the record, starting with counsel.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please this court. Attorney Ben Wordling, P64889, on behalf of Ms. Dixon.
Say your name is Dixon.
Oh, Deborah Dixon.
Mr. Wordling, there is an offer of your client to a no contest plea and then amending the charge to visibly impaired. Does your client wish to avail herself to that offer?
That's my understanding. Your Honor. I did have an opportunity to discuss that with Ms. Dixon, and I did explain to her the consequences of a no contest plea due to lack of memory. And my understanding, she wants to accept that, Your Honor, and move forward.
All right, so your client does, so you do stipulate to the face of the ticket as to the charges or charge?
Yes, Judge, we would stipulate to the face of the ticket or enter the police report for purposes of the no contest plea, Your Honor.
All right, so the court will amend this charge to operating while visibly impaired. There is going to be restitution. I don't know if we know the amount, but
Sure.
the court will leave restitution to be determined. And then we need a sentencing date, which we're gonna come up with in one moment. Yes, you're gonna be referred to probation.
Oh,
So
okay.
you're gonna, I don't know if you have a pen on you. I can write it down, but those are never gonna come out.
I have one, oh, this one right here.
So we're gonna do July 21st. as the next court date, you come to court. All right, anything further on behalf of your client, Mr. Werbling?
Nothing further, Judge. Should I appear at the sentencing as well? I'll just carry through to the end of the case. Is that fine, Judge?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
And then,
July 21st, nothing further at this time, Your Honor.
okay, and Ms. Dixon, you are gonna have to do a substance abuse evaluation.
Okay, can I, say something, because another reason why I kind of pursued with this case was because when I wound up, my whole engine fell out of my car. And this is what I wanted to explain. My whole engine fell out of my car. I called 911. That's when Massauskas and Officer Brown came out.
So are you giving me an explanation as to what happened?
Yeah, it's like the whole circumstances, so like really they sent me driving that was impaired. That was like something different.
Here's the thing, you pleaded no contest. You've spoken to your attorney, and this is something that you agreed to do, right?
Well, see, this is the first time I ever seen him, but I all have talked to him since virtual. So like pretty much this is my first time seeing Ms.
Right. So you want to continue with your no contest plea, or did you want to go to trial?
I just want this over with, to be
Okay.
honest.
And what I could clarify, Judge, and I didn't mean to interject, and I apologize, is a lot about Ms. Dixon saying, I've advised her that we will probably provide that as allocution at sentencing. And she can explain all that to probation department as well, as far as her position, that there was mechanical problems with the vehicle and that she called law enforcement. We don't have any issue with that, but that may just explain the actual circumstances.
Okay, so you understand that? But you'll have an opportunity to give your side of what happened and everything during the evaluation. And the court will look at all of the circumstances and will do your sentencing accordingly.
Okay, because I'm just wondering, like, this is like really kind of taking me to another negative, because I'm not, the type of person that gets into trouble. And at the time being, it was a pre-Mother's Day party that I went to a day before Mother's Day. And it's at the time then with my car, engine fell out the car, everything just went downhill.
I understand. And you'll have an opportunity to let everyone know that.
Okay, well, I can, come back, I mean,
Okay.
and,
So you're gonna come back on July 21st at 8:30.
yes, I'll be here.
All right.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
And, Miss Judge,
Evans,
Evans, nice meeting you, because they said it was gonna be Gary, but nice meeting you, too, as well.
thank you. Thank you.
All right.
And good luck to you. And
Thanks so
I'll
much.
see you in a little bit.
Okay, God bless you all, and y'all have a good
Thank
day.
you. Thank
All
you.
right, so do I wait?
Just wait in the hall, yeah.
Okay, thanks so much, you all.
Thank you.
All right.
Mr.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you,
Ms.
Mr.
Dixon, I'll be
Judge.
in touch with you. Thank you, Judge, and thank you to your staff.
Okay, so he gonna be here, you gonna be there that day?
I will be there. It'll probably be virtual.
Okay.
Right, and you could probably just call in as well, so you don't have to come in.
Okay, cause I just feel like I wanted to speak up. Okay, y'all have a good day, okay, y'all. Thank you, and talk to you later with, Mr. Werberly.
Thank you, Ms. Dixon. Thank you, everybody.
All right, y'all have a good one. You think I sit in the hallway, you
Yep.
can pay. All right, thank y'all.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, officer.
Yep. Thank you, ma'am.
Miss, is it Daniel?
Oh, this Daniel's here.
She came back and then she left again.
What's your name? What officer was on,
She was on this.
oh, it's a different, that's,
Miss Elvis.
oh, he left. Question. So we're just waiting on his, Daniel? That's the last one?
Or I can give that to.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's in the state.
Yeah. Are you, everyone's okay with Ms. Daniels just coming back tomorrow? Okay. So that means we're done for the day.
Oh, you're muted, Attorney Murphy.
Thank you. Nice meeting you, Your Honor. Nice
All
seeing
right,
you.
I think this might be her.
It was nice meeting you too. Oh, no,
Oh, there
she's
she
here.
is.
She is here.
I brought in.
Okay, great. I don't remember where we left off.
Okay, Judge, we left off, you was reading her rights. The last thing the last right you gave her was, has anyone threatened you, promised you, or forced you to, and that
I
was
didn't get
it,
that far in the right.
right?
All right.
I'm so
We're back.
sorry.
Okay, that's okay, Ms. Daniel. We're back on the record on ticket number P, or in the People versus Sierra Daniel, ticket number P10804223. The court was giving Ms. Daniels her rights. Ms. Daniel, you're pleading of your own free will,
Yes,
and you're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
yes, ma'am.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of May 3rd, 2020, at approximately 12:20 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Jefferson and Iroquois in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
Were you driving a 1997 Pontiac?
I wasn't the driver, but I was in it.
You were a passenger in the 1997 Pontiac?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and were you in a city park that was closed?
Yes.
You're satisfied with the factual basis, Ms. Murphy?
Can you say that one more time,
Yes,
please?
Your Honor.
Okay. And I'm also satisfied with the factual basis. What was that, Ms. Daniel?
Oh, I thought you were speaking to me.
No, I was speaking to your attorney. All right, so the recommendation is a delayed sentence that if you pay the fines and costs, then you can have this dismissed. So I'm going to do a fine of $200. Are you working?
Yes, ma'am, I work.
Okay, so we'll do $200, and then you can come back on August 2nd. And if you've paid that, this should be dismissed off your record.
Yes, ma'am.
So Judge, may
Yes,
I? Madam Prosecutor indicated she would have no objection to dismissal upon payment of fines and costs.
oh, okay, so if she pays it before then sure, it would be dismissed.
Yes, ma'am. That's fine by me.
Oh, no problem. All right,
Thank
anything
you.
further on behalf of the party, or on behalf of the party?
No, Your Honor.
All right, and this concludes this matter. Good luck to you, Ms. Daniel.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, so thank you so much. It was so nice to meet you, Your Honor.
Ms. Murphy, yes, it was a pleasure.
Thank
And-
you.
So nice to see you again, Mr. Petway, and Madam Clerk, always a pleasure.
Yes, always.